Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As everyone know, myself is Nandini V. I am studying in SVC College of Engineering. My branch is Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence. The subject is civil. The topic is to find the centroid of the unsymmetrical figure. So now this is the topic. Let us learn about this. This is the unsymmetrical figure. As all you can see, this is the first one. There are four components in this: triangle, rectangle, semicircle and the circle. The circle is located in the center of the rectangle. Now let us try to solve the problem to find the centroid of this figure. To find the centroid, these are the components which we need to solve. First one is component and the second one is area, which is millimeter square. Centroidal distance from x-axis, which is y, measured in millimeter. Moment of area about x-axis, here we multiply a into y, which is measured in millimeter cube. Centroidal distance from y-axis, which is x, measured in millimeter. Moment of area about y-axis, here we multiply a into x, which is measured in millimeter cube. Now let us try to solve. As I mentioned before, there are four components: triangle, rectangle, semicircle, circle. Let us solve this one by one. Take the components one by one. In this we will, at last, the circle, we will subtract this component. Why? Because it is located in the center of the rectangle. From all these three components we will subtract this circle, because we need to find the unshaded area of this. The other three are shaded, this part is not shaded. We should find the unshaded part of this, which is circle. Now let us try to solve this. First we take triangle. As all know, the area of the triangle is half into base into height. Now see the, let us look at the diagram. Half into base is 60 and the height is 120. When we do the calculation, we get 3600. The centroidal distance is 2h by 3 of the triangle plus 100. We get 60 by 3 plus 100, we get 120. When we multiply 3600 into 120, we get 4,32,000. The centroidal distance of y-axis, which is x, is, the triangle is b by 3, which is 120 by 3, we get 40. The moment of area, we multiply 3600 into 40, we get 1,44,000. Now next component we take is rectangle. The rectangle area is breadth into height. Breadth is 120 and the depth is 100. When we do 120 into 100, we get 12,000. And the depth is and the centroidal distance is d by 2, which is depth 100 by 2, we get 50. moment of area Moment of area is, we multiply 1200 into 50, we get 12,000 into 50, we get 6 lakh. The centroidal distance, which is y-axis, is x, which is b by 2, we get 120 by 2, which is 60. When we multiply we 12,000 into 60, we get moment of area of about y-axis, we get 7,20,000. And we take the third component as semicircle. The area of semicircle is pi r square by 2, where pi into r square is 50 square by 2, we get 3,926.99. The centroidal distance of x-axis is r equals 50 radius. When we multiply these two components, these two a into y, we get 1,96,349.5. Next column is the centroidal distance from y-axis, which is x is 4 r by 3 pi plus we should take the 1, we should do 120, which is 60 plus 60. We get 4 into, we should substitute the r value, 4 into 50 by 3 pi plus 120, we get 141.22. When we multiply a into x, which is 3,926.99 into 141.22, we get 5,54,569.52. At last we take circle, which is the unshaded area. Then we will subtract this component from all these three components, that is triangle, rectangle and semicircle. Now let us do that. The area of circle is pi r square. Pi into r square is 20 square, and we get 1256.63. And the centroidal distance from x-axis r is 50. When we multiply a into y, we get 62,831.5. And next, the centroidal distance which we measure from y-axis, which is x, we get r as 60. When we multiply a into x, we get 7,53,000 75,397.8. When we multiply 1,256.63 into 60, we get into 60, we get 75,397.8. Now when we do summation of area, we get 18,270.36, and the summation of AY as 11,65,598, and summation of AX as 13 lakh 431 13 lakh 43 4,000 for 13 lakh 4 units. Summation of AX we get as 1,34,317.72, and the y bar we should do summation of AY by summation of A, we get 63.79 millimeter. When we do x bar summation of AX by summation of A, we get 73.72. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.